Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses are constantly looking for ways to improve their network infrastructure and stay ahead of the competition. And that's where SD-WAN comes in. You see, for years, enterprises have relied on MPLS, multi-protocol label switching, for their wide-area network WAN needs. But in recent years, a new player has emerged: SD-WAN, software-defined wide-area network, and it's quickly gaining popularity among businesses of all sizes. But why is SD-WAN replacing traditional MPLS? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the limitations of MPLS. It was designed for a different era, one where cloud computing and mobile devices weren't as prevalent. As a result, MPLS can be expensive, inflexible, and difficult to scale. It also relies on a single physical connection, making it prone to network failures. On the other hand, SD-WAN leverages the power of software to manage and optimize network traffic. It allows businesses to easily add new locations, devices, and applications to their network without the need for expensive hardware upgrades. And because it uses a combination of internet and private circuits, it's more reliable and cost-effective than MPLS. But one of the biggest advantages of SD-WAN is its ability to improve application performance and user experience. With SD-WAN, businesses can prioritize and route specific types of traffic, ensuring critical applications get the bandwidth they need. This is especially important for businesses that rely on real-time communication and collaboration tools like VoIP and video conferencing. Moreover, SD-WAN also offers better security. It uses advanced encryption and authentication protocols to protect data as it travels across the network. And with centralized management, IT teams can easily monitor and control network traffic, making it easier to identify and address any security threats. Now, you might be thinking, but what about the transition from MPLS to SD-WAN? Won't it be complicated and time-consuming? The good news is, with the right partner, the transition can be smooth and seamless. At Fastlane, we offer comprehensive training and certification programs to help businesses make the switch to SD-WAN. Our expert instructors will guide you through the process, providing you with the skills and knowledge to effectively manage and optimize your SD-WAN network. So, if you're an IT professional looking to upskill and stay ahead of the curve, or a business owner looking to improve your network performance and reduce costs, SD-WAN is the way to go. Don't get left behind in the age of digital transformation. Make the switch to SD-WAN today. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more tech insights and stay ahead of the game. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.